Good morning, dears. In this video, we are going to discuss about our computer chapter 4, working with paint. This chapter is continuation of our chapter 3, paint.
In this chapter, first we are going to study about how can we use select tool.
This tool is used to select any part of the picture that you want to change. Let's see how can we use select tool.
Here we want to select particular portion of this picture. How can we do the selection? We can do this selection by using the select tool in MS Paint. Let's see how can we do selection tool. When we click on this arrow, you can see here two types of selection tools. In that first one, rectangular selection. First let's check how will it work. Click on it. Rectangular selection tool I selected. Now I have to select this particular character. How will I do it? Keep the cursor, left click the mouse and drag it towards down. Now I did the selection in rectangular shape. If you want to take this selected picture, left click the mouse and drag it. Now the selected portion is moved to another place. This is the way how we use this selection tool.
Next topic we have to learn is using freeform selection tool. One type of selection tool is freeform selection tool. Let's see how can we use it.
Click on the selection tool. Select the second option, freeform selection. Click on it. By using this selection tool, we can do the selection by dragging the mouse throughout the boundary of this particular portion of picture. You can do like this. After doing the selection, click and drag it, then we will get only the selected portion of the picture. Let's do with another character. First you have to click on this selection tool and select freeform selection tool. Then left click the mouse and drag it throughout the boundary of the particular portion that you want to select. Till the starting point you have to do this dragging, then release the mouse button. Now when we left click and drag the mouse, we can see the selected portion clearly. This is the difference between two types of selection tool, rectangular selection tool and freeform selection tool. Listen dears, if you want to delete or if you want to clear this page, we can select the same rectangular tool and left click the mouse from the top left corner and drag and select the entire portion which you don't want, which you want to delete. Then click on delete button. That will clear the page.
Next topic is moving an object.
In the same method how we did now, we can move this object to another place also. For that, first we have to select that particular object which we want to move. For that, select the selection tool. Left click and drag the mouse to do the selection. Then select the cut option from here. From the home tab, you can see here cut option. Click on it. Then you can see at the left side in home tab itself paste option, click on it. See, it is moved to the top left corner. How can we do copying an object? Here I have only one character of this little girl. I want to make it as many. How can we do it? For that, first we have to select that particular object. Left click the mouse, click and drag it for the selection. Then select the copy option from the Home tab. Click on this copy. Then click on this paste option. See, one duplicate copy of this picture is created. That we can click and drag to another location, wherever you want to keep. Then again, if we click on this paste, it will generate another one. Like this, we can create the duplicate copy of the picture. For that, what we did, first we selected this original picture, then click on copy option, then clicked paste.
Next topic we have to learn is drawing different shapes.
These are the shapes available in MS Paint that we already discussed in the chapter 1. When we select particular shape, we will get here two options. That is first one, outline, that we can change here. If you want marker outline, oil outline, or watercolor or solid color, when I select solid color, left click the mouse and drag, it will get the outline like this. If I change the color from here, we'll get the shape in this color. The next option is fill. Let's check what are the option in fill. Now let's do with the crayon outline and fill the color with a solid color. Then here color 1 is the foreground color, that color 2 is the background color, that is used for filling. So we have to change that color. I'm selecting here yellow color. Then what will happen? Left click the mouse and drag it. See, the star shape came with a crayons outline and filled with a solid yellow color. See, we can see the difference. Watercolor filling, oil filling, crayons filling. It is now fill. The outline, solid color, crayons, then marker, oil, natural pencil, watercolor. These are the options in fill and outline.
Next topic is how can we do flipping the picture. Good morning dears. In this video, we are going to discuss about
Listen. For doing rotation, first we have to select that particular picture which you want to rotate. Click on the selection tool and click and drag the picture which you want to rotate. Okay. Now select this rotation tool. Rotate or flip. Click on it. Here you can see which type of rotation you want. Rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90, rotate 180, flip vertical and flip horizontal. Check with first option, rotate right 90 degree. Picture is rotated. Now we can click and drag and keep somewhere wherever you want. And if we select rotate left 90, it will move back to the same position. Rotate 180 degree, the reverse. We'll get the reverse of that picture. If we rotate If we click the same, we'll get the, if we click the same, we'll go back to the original picture. Then flip vertical. What will happen? Same 180-degree, what happened? The same result will get. When we click on the same, it will come back to the original picture. Flip horizontal. What will happen? Click on it. See the hands. Now we can click and drag to another place. We can select and do the same flip rotation with another picture also. Flip horizontally. See. I did copy paste of the original picture one more time and I made the total picture like this. Like this you can also do the changes in MS Paint. Then the last topic, zooming the picture.
Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen.
Listen dears, let's check how can we do zooming in Paint. Now we are going to increase the size of this picture. How can we do it? Listen here. See at the bottom right corner, here have zoom. Left click the mouse on this and drag it towards the left for decreasing the size. If you want to increase the size, you can left click and drag it towards the right. This is the way how we do zooming the picture in MS Paint. In this chapter, we have learned about how to use selection tool. How can we do with the freeform selection tool? How can we moving an object? How can we copy an object? How to draw different shapes? How can we do flipping the picture? Then the last topic, zooming the picture. Go through your textbook and be familiar with these tools. In the next video, we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.